Hello, my friends. Welcome to this week's weekly Cosmic Dive. I'm astrologer Shane Smith. I am glad you're here. We got a nice week ahead of us. Every week is a nice week. Why would I want to show the not so nice stuff, right? We've got a week that continues with this Pluto, Neptune, Uranus in harmonic six. And we're going to talk about that. But there are other things going on that I'm sure you're anxious and eager to hear about. So we're going to delve into it without further ado. Let's do. Okay, we take this 10-minute guide every week through vibrational astrology's guidance. I'll highlight key planetary configurations in the cosmic sky that help answer the question, which frequencies do I choose to frequent? And we're doing this for August 3rd through the 10th of 2026. Okay, here we go. For the week, I'm going to summarize it first, and then I'm going to talk about all those peaks and valleys here. This week invites you to merge inspired vision with practical accomplishment. The inspired vision comes from the Neptune. Practical accomplishment is Pluto and Uranus adding to the mix. So, a powerful current of shared inspiration, imagination, and collective purpose encourages us to pursue dreams that are larger than ourselves, while a parallel emphasis on disciplined effort reminds us that meaningful achievements are built through careful attention to detail, perseverance, and a willingness to do whatever is required. And we'll see how that fits into the picture as we progress. Throughout the week, creativity finds expression through art, beauty, communication, and innovative thinking, making it an excellent time to write, create, collaborate, and bring fresh ideas into tangible form. And as the week concludes, the inspirational current is further enriched by Venus. Venus is going to be joining the Pluto, Neptune, Uranus party. Woohoo! Adding harmony, peace, beauty, and heartfelt connection, suggesting that the greatest accomplishments arise when determination is balanced with what? Joy, creativity, and an appreciation for life's wonder. Okay, so all these lines represent particular vibrations. And in vibrational astrology, each of these harmonics or vibrations has a meaning that's been researched and has been shown to be true. So let's start with today. We do have that Pluto, Neptune, Uranus in harmonic six. That's that green line. And you see it progress throughout the week and then rise at the end. When it rises at the end, that's when Venus joins the party. So Pluto, Neptune, Uranus again is the combination that strengthens when Venus joins that party. And it's very inspirational, and you can share it with others. That's what vibration six means. You can share this inspiration with others in a free flowing way. So we can all join together to pursue a fantasy, a dream, a vision with tremendous power. Tomorrow, we have an excellence and transformation peak. So that's that fuchsia line. And what that is vibration 13. It's got Mercury, Mars, and Venus. I love it whenever Venus comes into the mix. There's a lot of beauty involved. So what that means is an ability to express well in areas such as arts, literature, and humanities. Involvement in theater and production of arts or literature is highly recommended, expressed in a unique and special way. Wednesday, what's going on there? We see a rise in another fuchsia line, which is that 13 excellence and transformation line. And then we see a stillness, inner wisdom, and focus line. That's vibration 7. So let's break those down. So, this will bring us a fascination with new ideas and imaginative learning that propels us above and beyond the ordinary. Also, we need to do whatever needs to be done. Pay attention to details, be willing to do the dirty work, and find success through commitment and grit. That is actually Mars and Saturn and various combinations with them in vibration 7. Thursday, that same combination of Mars and Saturn progresses into vibration 5. So we can do that determination and grit stuff, but with a little bit more play and creativity. We can be a little more lighthearted with it because it's in vibration 5. Okay. So, also on Thursday, we see Venus, my friend. Hi, Venus. It's entering Libra until September 10th. And when Venus enters Libra, it's entering its own home. So it feels very comfortable there to do its thing. So the planet of attraction to beauty, the arts, creativity, peaceful relationships is at home where it expresses itself strongly with fairness and balance, the lovely attributes of Libra, my rising sign. Okay, on Friday, we do have a peak of 13. No, that's 11. Restless and progressive. Yeah, let's talk about that. We like to be restless and progressive sometimes. That kind of gets us going. And also, we have a rise in the creativity and flowing line. So that's Friday. Let's see what's going on here. We do find that we can find or create beauty because Venus is involved. Um, so basically, we have a four-planet combination happening in vibration 11. Actually, it's happening way up in vibration 55. But so we have Neptune, Venus, Sun, and Jupiter all coming together on Friday in vibration 55. So we can find or create beauty because it is the doorway to a sense of wonder and magic. And this will be expressed as that restless, active, and powerful expression of dynamic perseverance, innovation, and collective purpose. On Saturday, we have vibration 5 emphasis with Mars and Pluto. So, this allows us to follow our instincts and passions to push very hard to achieve something, even if the rewards are not clear or not great. Go for it anyway. And do it in a playful and creative way because it is vibration 5. Also, Saturday is the Lionsgate peak. The Lionsgate idea came to us through ancient Egypt. And it's when the sun comes together with the fixed star Sirius, which is the sun's spiritual sun, if you will. And it allows a portal to the higher realms of consciousness. They actually coincided on July 6th, but now that we can see Sirius after the separation, we celebrate it around the 8th. 8-8, very powerful. And if you're into numerology, you know 8 and 8 is the numbers of creativity and manifestation. It's bringing into reality those things that we wish to create for ourselves. So we can use this time to meditate and bring ourselves into alignment with the consciousness that is opening up for us. All right. Also on that day, I thought I'd take a peek and see what the midpoints are doing on that day. Midpoints are just the middle point between two planets, and the sun actually will be at the midpoint of Pluto and the North Node, which brings power to transcend present conditions with others. So Saturday is going to be a very nice day. I like that. And then we have a rise in the smooth and harmonious expression vibration. And we also have on Sunday Mercury. See, there's the Mercury glyph, and Mercury goes into Leo until September 10th. Ah, didn't we just say Venus goes into Libra until September 10th? Oh, so interesting. They'll be changing signs on the same day next month. So, Mercury is the planet of mental pursuits, communication, and travel, and it enters the sign of individual self expression. Also, on that day, we have, as I've mentioned several times already, Venus joining the Pluto Neptune Uranus party in vibration 6. So, very high inspiration is shared with others in a free flowing manner. We can join together to pursue a fantasy, a dream, a vision with tremendous power and with added beauty, creativity, and peace. Ah, as my idol, I guess, back in the 60s, 70s, and 80s, CBS broadcaster Walter Cronkite would say, and that's the way it is. I love that guy. He was tremendous. I've I've got some stories, but I won't go into them right now. Anyway, so yes, let's talk about the solar eclipse next week on August 12th. And let's remember our weekly mantra. I should have kept that screen up there for you, but the weekly mantra is I ground inspired vision in dedicated action, allowing creativity, beauty, and perseverance to transform possibility into meaningful reality. Remember to remind yourself, which frequencies do I choose to frequent? I'll see you next week. In the meantime, have a wonderful week and God bless you all. Bye bye.